In this video, we're diving into 2026's coolest fall shelf decor models. Prepare to be amazed. We'll explore performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Find the links in the description and first comment. Let's go through these remarkable products one by one, starting with our first pick. Our first product is the Rose 3-pack fake plants, perfect for a chic, maintenance-free decor style. These sage green frosted eucalyptus plants are pet and child safe, making them ideal for any household. With no need for watering, these artificial plants save you time while adding a natural touch to your space. They're versatile enough for your desk, kitchen, bedroom, or even a farmhouse-style coffee table. The rich texture and color bring a calm, soothing vibe to any area they're placed in. For those looking for a stylish and hassle-free decor solution, this product offers great value. Second on our list is the Rose 4-pack small fake plants in black pots, perfect for a gothic touch. These no-watering artificial plants are a great option for busy individuals who still want a lively decor. The black pot style adds a hint of elegance and mystery, fitting perfectly into Halloween or fall themes. These compact plants are ideal for shelves, desks, and various table settings around your home or office. Their minimalist design allows them to complement both modern and traditional decor styles seamlessly. Overall, they're a smart and cost-effective choice for those who love unique and stylish decor elements. Our third product is the Rose 6-pack succulents, an aesthetic delight for any room. These palm-sized plants are perfect for adding a touch of greenery to your bedroom or bathroom. Their small size makes them a fantastic option for decorating limited spaces with a stylish flair. Whether on an office desk or as a gift for women, they offer a delightful way to brighten up spaces. The variety in succulents provides a visually pleasing array, enhancing your decor effortlessly. These are a charming and affordable addition to any home decor collection, enhancing your living space. Fourth in line, the We Merry flameless candles offer a warm, flickering ambiance without the worry of flames. These battery-operated candles come with an 8-key remote and timer function, adding convenience to elegance. Their acrylic glass pillars in gray add a touch of modern sophistication to any setting. Perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere, they're great for living rooms, bedrooms, or even parties. With over 400 hours of operation, they're both energy efficient and long-lasting. For those who value safety and style, these candles are a brilliant addition to any decor. Finally, we have the Taiwan Glass LED flameless candles, offering a luxurious gold finish. These real wax candles emit a warm, flickering light, perfect for festivals, weddings, or home decor. They're equipped with a remote and timer, adding ease of use to their stunning visual appeal. The gold finish brings a touch of opulence, making them a standout choice for elegant settings. Ideal for enhancing a festive atmosphere, these candles are a smart addition to any decor plan. In summary, each of these products is carefully selected for quality and functionality, truly worth considering.